Hey Internet, so today I'm in class. I'm in bar prep class for 10 weeks to prepare for the bar exam. So even though I'm officially done with my studies, I'm a student again for a temporary period, and so I'm dressing really casually for class because the weather has just been pretty awful here in Vancouver, even though it's supposed to be summer. So you can see that I'm wearing a warm jacket from Lululemon that I absolutely love because it's actually reversible. So on this side it's just a plain navy blue, and I'm wearing the fun side out today, which has a heathered blue color, and some holes have been really popular at Lululemon. And then underneath that jacket I'm just wearing a really simple kind of burgundy purple t-shirt from Target. It's from the Mossimo line. It's really soft. And then I'm wearing a necklace that I made myself along with a pendant, and then underneath I'm wearing some jeggings in just a really dark navy blue. These are from Gap. Gap makes really good jeggings, by the way, at a good price. My wedges from Clarks, again, you guys saw these in a recent video, my Trader Joe shopping outfit of the day. So they're the same kind of pewter silver peep toe wedges. Just wearing my hair in a really simple braid. It's kind of a messy braid because I have layered hair, so there's always little bits poking out, but it's a good hairstyle on a kind of rainy, cloudy day, because then later on I plan to just kind of undo the braid, and then hopefully instead of having frizzy hair, which is what I would have had I just let my hair down, I will have nice waves, because the plan is that I'm meeting a friend from work for drinks later, so I'm going to dress this outfit up, and then you'll see the day to night change. It's not going to be a huge change, just a little bit of a change, because I know that she'll be wearing her suit wear, so then, you know, I'll dress up a little bit too, because we're going to a fairly nice place. And then I'm just wearing my Ray-Ban glasses. I like to wear my glasses in class because the air conditioning makes it really cold, hence the jacket, and it also really dries out my contacts. So these are just my favorite brown Ray-Ban glasses that I've had for years. So that is the total outfit, and I will see you guys a little bit later with my nighttime outfit of the day. Hey again Internet, so it's a couple of hours later. I did a little bit of studying after getting home from class, and then I just undid my braid and I curled my hair with the curling iron that I showed you, just to kind of touch up the waves from the braid, because I find that it just never comes out looking as nice as I would like it to after a braid. It helps just to create some body and movement if I straighten my hair, because my hair is naturally curly, and that will stay in my hair, but I just like to create more of like a loose curl than a frizzy kind of wave, which is what I get from the braids. So I did that, and then my clothes are essentially the same, so you can see I'm still wearing my Target t-shirt and my Gap jegging. The necklace is also the same, but you can see that I switched up my jacket. So instead of wearing my knitted Lululemon wrap, I'm wearing a blazer from Zara with the cuffs rolled up, just to make it a little bit lighter and more casual. And then I changed my shoes, and I took a shot of these for you guys because I really adore these shoes. These were actually my graduation shoes that I wore when I graduated, and I walked all over the cobbles in England in them. Really simple outfit of the days, but it's just kind of a good way to switch your look up for evening because it required very minimal effort. I also added a little bit of more of a bright berry lip, just a Maybelline lip stain, and I love these. That is really it for this outfit. Thank you so much for watching this day to night video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!